Today then I'm going to show you 3 of my Pokemon today and other dice and all that. I can't remember their name. Electivire. He's really good Pokemon. Snivy. He's stronger than Pikachu. Can't remember his name. And this is I'm trying to pass it on some kind of like this, but I can't do it. I can't do it with other stuff. I'll show you my other one. I can't remember. Can't remember. I mean, Cliffy. I can't remember. Can't remember.
Oh.
Yes, I can't remember his name, but it can flood the whole earth. I can't remember this guy, but I can't remember any moves off him either. This is my favorite Pokemon.
Can tell me us.
And it's Pikachu. Looks so cute. This is the zombie Pigman off Minecraft. You can swap their arms. Look at the dice. This is Marshall. This is Bullseye. You know Toy Story? This is Evolved Snivy. And he is stronger than Pikachu, Tormanian, and Free. Pikachu again. Pichu. He's really good Pokemon. He's evolved into a Pikachu. This is a rock Pokemon, but I can't remember his name. But I can remember some of his moves. Rock Slide, Tackle, that's all I know. Zapdos, legendary, and it's electric type. This is Dodrio.